Okay. So first we were starting the chapter fraction, though integers will be your exam syllabus of tomorrow. Okay. So here what you need to do, you need to just I told you that to see what means to remember few things. Number was is fraction. Fraction is having two parts. Please keep your sides mute. Fraction is having two parts. The above part is called as numerator and the lower part is called as denominator. Right? Now here suppose I am writing 1 and 1 by 2. So 1 is the numerator,
Ma'am, we have to write.
right? So one thing we need to remember, denominator cannot be 0 anytime because 1 by 0. This is what? Not is
Ma'am,
not
we have to write this. Indefined.
no, no, not defined. If you think that
Yes,
for
ma'am.
your concept clearance you need to write very fast.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
See, if you are thinking that for me the concept clearing you need to write these things, you can write it, but I will remove it very fast. Okay. So
Ma'am, two noises are coming.
please keep your sides mute. All of you, please keep your sides mute. If it is not needed, please keep your side mute. Don't unmute yourself if it is not mandatory. Okay. Now, one thing I told you to see that proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Okay,
Ma'am, your voice is coming very slow.
mixed fraction. So here, what we need to do, proper fraction means 3 by 7. When the numerator is less, denominator is bigger. Improper means definitely the opposite one. Numerator is big and denominator is small. And mixed is, suppose I'm writing one whole 2 by 3. So this kind of fractions are known as mixed fraction. Okay, mostly in this chapter, here the from the proper fraction your questions are there. Okay, so here also I told you one thing, all the fractions, if the fractions are proper, these facts you need to write down. If the fraction is proper fraction, then it must be lying between, lying মানে থাকবে, ওকে, শুয়ে থাকবে না, এটা obviously এই মিনিংটা এখানে, lying between 0 and 1. Also I gave you one example on yesterday's class. Suppose this is your line, number line, and here we are just drawing the number line. Here it is 0 and here it is 1. If I want to plot 2 by 3, what I will do, 0 and 1, this part we will divide in 3 part, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. I hope that all of you can remember it. Okay, so here 0 we can write like that, 0 by 0. Here we can write 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3. Also 1 we can write it like that, 3 by 3. So we can easily plot 2 by 3 on the number line. So how much is the denominator? According to that we will divide the number line. Up to this everything is clear? Please raise your hand, your condition is terrible.
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to figure it out. Okay, also fraction we can represent it in a very nice format. Okay, the nice format is like that. Suppose this is one pizza. Okay, I hope you can see my red pizza over here. Okay, now how they are just slicing the pizza. This is the standard procedure to slice down the pizza. This is not joint. Okay, now I am telling you that I ate These two part where I'm just marking it, or three part. I was very hungry. And I am telling you to represent this fact. This part I ate, and I am telling you to represent this fact in the number in mathematical expression. So how many total parts were there? There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts were there. So total value is sitting on the denominator and numerator 3. And how much part is left? 5 by 8. So up to this concept is clear. Up to this the concept
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
okay. So here we will start with the sums. Okay. Now here see 13 by 15 also they have placed on the rumble line. What they have done, they have just 0 and 1. They have written it in a far apart so that in between the distance they can, where I'm just moving my pen over here, in between this distance they can just divide it in the 15 parts. So 15 parts means we were just taking the entire line as one part. Means this entire line is one part. This entire line is second part. This entire line is third part. Like this 15 part. Means 14 line we have drawn over here. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So like
I can't understand.
you can't understand 0 to 1.
Ma'am, I Shabaj.
I know. 0 to 1, you see 0 to 1 in between what I told. If this is a proper fraction, here whatever the fraction is there, I can see all these are proper fraction. Proper fraction is what? Proper fraction already I told you, numerator is less and denominator is greater, or we can write like that, numerator is less than denominator. Okay, so this type of fraction is just lying between 0 and 1 always in the number line, okay, or in the reality. Now here you can see 13 by 15 they have placed it on the where? They have placed it on the number line. So for that what they have done, they have just divided 0 and 1, they have written it far apart, অনেক দূরে দূরে লিখেছে, লিখে এখানে কি করেছে দেখ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. They have divided this entire number line in 15 parts. Okay, 15 parts means what? এরকম যে ছোট ছোট লাইনগুলো মাঝখানে এঁকেছে, কতগুলো লাইন এঁকেছে? 14টা লাইন এঁকেছে 0 আর 1 এর মাঝখানে, 0 আর 1 কে ছেড়ে। Is it clear now, Shahbaz?
Yes, ma'am.
And here from here after 0 they have counted 1 2 3 like that, and this is 13 by 15. Here we have find it out. Now quickly just take out your copy.
Ma'am, taken.
All of you please take out your copy. From exercise A we will do. I'm not going to drawing it because drawing will take much time, so I will solve it over here. Solve it right now.
I cannot listen your voice.
You just solve right now, okay, in your copy. Later you will draw. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please put CW and today's date. Please put CW and today's date is 16/7/21. Please put it. express the shaded region in each of the following set as a fraction of the whole. Of the whole means here we need to first find out how many total parts are there. So here how many total parts are there? 6. So in the denominator part it will sit as 6. And how many parts are colored over here? Only 4. So the fraction is 4 by 6. Like this way we need to find out. And here 5, 4, 20. And how many are colored? 13 parts are colored. Here 2 by 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total parts are 7 and 3 of them are only colored. Here how many box? 7. And how many parts are colored? 6. This is the shaded part. Please complete it because the next question
Ma'am?
is yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anushka.
ma'am, the number 2, ma'am, number B will be 11 by 20, I think.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yes, it is 11.
That will be 7 by 20.
Yes, it is 11. I mistaken it. This
Ma'am,
is
we
shaded.
can, ma'am, we can do it in the ma'am fraction, ma'am, we can do it the lowest form also, ma'am, that 2 by 3, ma'am, number 1, 2 by 3.
Yes. Lowest format also you can do. This is the shaded part. Okay, unshaded part. Next question is here. See unshaded region in the above figures of the whole. So unshaded part I'm writing just by another color. Okay. Unshaded part means A's answer will be how much? 2 by 6.
And 2 by
Plus B's answer
9
will
by
be
20.
9 by 20. C's answer will be 2 by 4. And D's answer will be 4 by 7. And E's answer will be 1 by 7. The parts to represent the given fraction. This is my this is one of my favorite sums. I like to color 1 by 8. Only one triangle we need to color. 2 by 6. 2 triangle we need to color. So I am just taking it as my color. 1 by 2 half part I will color. And 1 by 8. Complete it. Please keep your sides mute. Please keep your
I'm
sides.
done.
Please keep your sides. So all of you.
And we can color any part.
Yes, you can color
I'm
any
done.
part. Please keep your sides mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Complete it, giving you 2-3 minutes. After that I will be going on the next page.
Ma'am, I have done this chapter along with you.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I'm just going on the next page. Okay. So express the following as a fraction. This chapter also I am just solving it over here. No whiteboard or anything is needed. Denominator and numerator. So numerator is in the top. So remember n
Ma'am, 2,
by
3 is homework.
2, 3. I have shown everything. So this is 5 by 27. Next, B's answer will be numerator 6, denominator 29. 6 by 29. C's answer will be numerator by denominator 10 by 24. You can also make the lowest format, but if it is not asked, don't do that. And remember this, n by d. N means numerator and d means denominator.
Ma'am, I remember D means down.
Yes,
That's why denominator.
down. Yes,
I remember that.
that's also a very nice trick. Okay. So 7 9. 7 by 9. 9 20ths. 5 8s. 5 12s. Please ignore the sound of my house. Today I just, this is too much hot. I am sitting with my door open and everyone is just doing funny things with my daughter. Means you know. So in between you will listen a yo, different kind of sounds. Those are things like your entertainment in the class. Okay, please complete it.
Now completed.
Incomplete.
So write the following in words. This will be, we can write like that, 3 8s. Okay. 3 8s. Please do it in the copy, okay? 9 12s. 12s. This is 6 15. 5 9s. So write the numerator and denominator in D. You just write it totally, okay? Since there is no much places is there, I'm just writing it in the short. Complete up to this. After that, of the work of sums is needed a little bit attention. So I will show it accordingly. Please solve up to this. I'm just, meanwhile, I'm giving you the attendance. Please don't raise your hand. Question number 8 and 9 also today we will do. Anushka, lower your hand. Okay, so I hope that up to this you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here I am just going to do the off work. Off means actually nothing. We need to multiply it. Okay. Now here the fractions multiplication. Do you know fraction multiplication?
Yes, ma'am. We have to cut it out.
Yes, ma'am.
That means multiplication. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Cut.
So that means here first sum, suppose I am doing 2 by 5 of 25. Okay. So that means here what we are doing 25, we can write like that 25 by 1. We will cut like that. If it is in the denominator, if it is in the numerator, only then we will cut. By 5 I am cutting, so this is 5. And now what is happening? 2 and 5 will be multiplied, and here 1 and 1 will be multiplied. So it will be 10 by 1. Also we can write it as the simply 10.
Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, it's easy.
See, I know if you know it's easy, but if you don't know, it's not that much. So 6 by 19 of 95.
Ma'am, please say louder. I cannot listen.
Please just keep your phone's voice up. 6 by 19 by 95 by 1. Like this we can write. Okay. So by 19 I'm cutting 1. This is actually 5. So 6 and 5, if we are next we will multiply. This is becoming 30 by 1. That means this is equal to 30. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. C and D, try to solve by yourself. C and D, try to solve by yourself. Afterwards I will show. Please keep your sides mute. Your mother's voice are coming. Someone of yours. And mother's.
only for my Roshan.
Yes, yes, Maher. Please just mute yourself. We are not interested in your homely talk or something like that. At least respect others' privacy and just keep your privacy also. Okay. So next is here C and D. I will show up. A and B completed, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
So C and D.
No, ma'am.
So C and D I'm showing.
Ma'am, I complete C and D.
Very good. By 20 I am cutting. So this is 9 by 1. That means 9. And D also 7 by 25 of 625. By 25 I am cutting. Okay. So complete it up to D. I will just stop the screen share. I hope that everyone completed.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Thank you very much everyone for joining my class. So from today onwards, you will again just revise the video also. Okay, first few many things I told, those things you have not written. Please just go and watch those videos so that you will able to understand what you missed or what you are not understanding. Okay, concept must be clear. Okay, thank you very much. So I'm ending this class. Class will be automatically